Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace comma with dots in Microsoft Excel. So guys, we can see we have this list, and guys, if we have commas and you want to convert these all commas into dot, so firstly select this value or data, select it and find, then replace, and here you will see find what. So in find what, make comma and replace with insert dot. Now click on replace all, then click on OK. So in just one click you can convert comma into dot in Excel using this find and replace method. So thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you or not.